Kubernetes networking, understanding networking in a nutshell. Kubernetes networking refers to the communication between various components within a Kubernetes cluster. The network allows pods to communicate with each other, access external resources, and load balance traffic efficiently. Kubernetes Network Basics. At the core of Kubernetes networking are pods, which are the smallest deployable units in a Kubernetes cluster. Pods can consist of one or more containers that share the same network namespace. Kubernetes Network Architecture. The network architecture of Kubernetes is designed to be scalable, robust, and flexible. It includes various components such as kube proxy, container network interface, CNI, network plugins, and network policies. Pod networking. Pod networking allows pods to communicate with each other within the same namespace or across different namespaces. Each pod is assigned an IP address from a predefined range, ensuring unique network identities. Kubernetes network models. Kubernetes supports various network models such as Calico, Flannel, and overlay networks. Each network model offers unique capabilities and features for managing network traffic, security, and performance. Kubernetes Network Solutions. Kubernetes offers a range of network solutions and best practices to address common networking challenges and improve network performance. By implementing network solutions such as overlay networks, network segmentation, load balancing, and network ingress, you can optimize network efficiency, scalability, and security. Conclusion. In conclusion, Kubernetes networking is a complex but essential aspect of managing and operating a Kubernetes cluster.